Good morning students. Welcome in mathematics class. I Nikita Keen, your mathematics teacher. Students, today we are going to study about shapes. Students, in our regular classes we had already studied about shapes. Today we are going to have a quick revision of the topic shapes. Students, this topic is given in your page 73 in your mathematics book, page number 73, shapes. So students, before starting the revision of the exercises, I would like to give you a quick recap of the chapter. Okay, we will study about shapes in this class. So students, basically we have studied about 4 types of shapes. There are 4 types of shapes. Number 1, square. Number 2, rectangle. Number 3, triangle. And number 4, circle. Students, see the spelling of square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. It has 4 sides. Okay, this is a square. Then rectangle. Spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. It also has 4 sides. Then triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. It has 3 sides. Then a circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. It is round in shape. It has no sides. Students, now one by one we will study about them in detail. First of all, we will study about triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. See the sides of the triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Like this, we draw a triangle. We draw the 3 sides. Then it has 3 corners. When it has 3 sides, so it has 3 corners. Let us see the 3 corners of a triangle. 1, 2 and 3. 3 corners of triangle. Then all the 3 sides can be equal or different. Now the size of the sides of the triangle can be equal. That means it can be equivalent triangle. That about those triangles we will study in our higher classes, but now we will study about this simple triangle only. The sides can be equal. That means in a triangle, sides can be of equal length. For example, if this will be 5, then this will be 5 and it will also be 5. And they can be different also. One side can be of 7, then another can be of 5, another can be of 3, like this. So all the sides can be equal, different, or 2 sides can be equal and the last one, third one will be different. Then examples of triangle. Examples of triangle are a hanger in which we used to hang our clothes. It is of triangle shape. Then slice of pizza. The pizza which we all like. No? That slice, one slice of that pizza, it is triangle. Then sandwich. The sandwich we used to eat, we all love to eat sandwich. That also has a triangle shape. So many shapes are there which we can define as triangle. How we will recognize that it is a triangle? First of all, we will count the sides of that particular thing. Okay? That will be, if it has 3 sides, that means, if it has 3 sides, that means it will be a triangle. Okay? If the side of a thing will be 3 sides will be there. So it will be a triangle. Okay? Now we will study another shape. It is a square. Now see, this is a square. Okay. This is a square. It has 4 sides. Now see this square. In this we are able to see 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. So it is a square. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there in a square. All the sides are equal. This is very important. This point, this note is very important then that in a square all the sides are equal. When you will see a thing and it has 4 sides, if it has all the 4 sides equal, then only it will be a square. For example, kite, dice, a box, carom board, etc. So, square has 4 sides, then 4 corners, all the sides are equal. Next one is rectangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Now let us see this rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle and let us see the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 corners in a rectangle. Then opposite sides are equal. Like in a square we have all the 4 sides equal. In rectangle what we have? We do not have all the 4 sides equal. Always remember, this is the main point, that in a rectangle opposite sides. Opposite sides means the sides which are opposite to each other. Opposite like this and opposite like this. These are opposite sides and these are opposite sides. So these two will be equal and these two will be equal. If in a thing, if it has these two opposite sides equal and these two opposite sides equal, it will be a rectangle. And if a thing has all the 4 sides equal, it will be a square. Then examples are chocolate. We all love to eat chocolate, right? Chocolate, the size, the shape of the chocolate, it is like rectangle. Then a book, our maths book, see, a very good example. This is rectangle in shape. See, the opposite sides, they both are equal. These two sides, these are opposite to each other. They both are equal. Okay, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Then 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 sides are not equal, so it is not a square. It is a rectangle because opposite sides are equal. Okay? Then we will study about the last one. Last shape is a circle. Students, see, this is the shape of a circle. It is round in shape. Whatever you see which is round in shape, its shape will be circle. We will name it as a circle shaped thing. It has no sides. See students, in this circle, it is not having any side. It is not having any side. We cannot say that a circle has 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. No sides. When there is no side, there is no corner. No corners also. It has no starting point. See, in this circle, we can start the circle from here, here. From anywhere we can start the circle. It will end to that particular starting point only. So it has no starting point. A fixed starting point is not there. We can start from anywhere and then we can make a circle. It has no ending point. As it has no fixed starting point, it has no fixed ending point. Then examples are clock, coin, ring, plate, bangle, etc. So many other things. Okay students? So in this class, we had studied about the shapes, and all these shapes we can see in our day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life, in our school also we can see so many things. In our class also we can see so many things, which are all the things which we see. It occupy a particular shape. It has a particular shape of its own. For example, your teacher, like me, your mathematics teacher, I use this duster. Okay, you are able to see this duster in your day-to-day life. Every day your ma'am uses this. Okay, its shape is rectangle shape. Okay, it is rectangle in shape. Opposite sides are equal, and opposite sides, these two sides are equal. It is a rectangle. Okay, we use our bottle, through which we used to drink water. The cap of the bottle, it is round in shape. Okay, we use our books. See, it is also having a particular shape. We used to study through this smart board. This board, it is also having a particular shape. So all the things which we see in our day-to-day life, it have their own shape. Okay. For example, we are carrying a bag. It is also having a shape. Okay, then we are using a pencil also having a shape, eraser also, your sharpener also, your lunch box also, even the chapati you eat, that chapati is also having a shape, round, okay, circle shape. So students, in this class we had revised our topic shapes. We had studied the chapter shapes. Usually we have 4 types of shape: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Square has 4 sides, all the sides are equal. Rectangle has 4 sides, opposite sides are equal. Triangle has 3 sides, all the 3 sides can be equal or different. And a circle, it has no side. Okay, so students, your homework is to revise this work. Okay, you have to revise this work, and you have to find out, you have to make a list of 5 things of these each particular shape. For example, you will write down the heading shapes in your copy, then you will write down 5 things: square shaped 5 things, square shaped rectangle, square shaped triangle, 5 examples of triangle and 5 examples of circle. You will make a list of 5 things of this particular each shape. Okay. Students, now I would like to thank all of you for listening to me very carefully and attentively. I hope to meet you soon in our